Hey everyone, I'm Salman Saadat and welcome back to Trade School. Today we are going to cover the final part of journaling together. But before we start, please don't forget to follow and subscribe.
This page focuses on individual trades. First, trade plan. Before entering a trade, you can note the symbol, whether it's long or short, the duration, risk, entry price, stop loss, take profit, volume, time frame, and the strategy behind the trade. Then, trade execution. This section is for recording the actual execution details: price, volume, date or time, and order type, both when opening and closing the trade. And finally, result. Here you record the real reward to risk ratio, P&L, profit or loss, and whether the trade was a win or a loss. Emotions and mistakes, a space to reflect on how you felt during the trade and the mistakes you made, if any. Monthly summary. This page is designed for traders to reflect on their performance at the end of each month. End of the month summary. Here you record the number of trades, win rate, return, reward to risk ratio, drawdown, and maximum risk. My total asset portfolio. This section allows you to track the percentage of your capital allocated to different asset classes, such as crypto, gold, cash, real estate, and stocks. Mistakes summary. A place to highlight your common trading mistakes, such as FOMO, overtrading, trading without stop loss, revenge trading, or trading without a strategy. Emotions summary. This section helps you track your emotions throughout the month: fear, greed, tiredness, disappointment, stress, or maybe anger. Lessons from this month. Space to write down what you've learned from your trading experience. Decisions and mentors comments. This area is for setting future decisions and, if you have a mentor, writing their feedback. Basically, the first page is for detailed trade tracking, and the second page is for your monthly overview. Together, they help you improve discipline, learn from mistakes, and grow as a trader. Thanks for watching and thank you for supporting me with your follow and subscribe.